Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Fantasy Hub. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated smartphones in the mid-range space, the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. If you're looking for premium features at a more affordable price, this fan edition might just be the perfect balance between power and price. Let's break it all down. The Galaxy S25 FE keeps it sleek and modern with a refined design that closely follows the flagship Galaxy S25 series. It features a 6.4-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with full HD plus resolution and a silky smooth 120 Hz. Refresh rate. This means whether you're scrolling, watching videos, or gaming, everything looks incredibly fluid. Samsung continues to impress with its screen technology, and this panel delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent outdoor visibility. It also supports HDR10+, which enhances your viewing experience on supported platforms like Netflix and YouTube. The punch-hole front camera and minimal bezels complete the high-end look, making this phone feel far more premium than its price suggests. Under the hood, the S25 FE is rumored to run on either the Exynos 2400 or the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, depending on your region. That's right, this isn't a stripped-down chipset. This is true flagship-level performance in a more affordable shell. Multitasking is smooth. Games run with high frame rates, and everyday tasks are lightning fast. Samsung will likely pair this with 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of storage, with UFS 4.0 speeds. That means faster app launches, better background task management, and more room for your media. Let's talk cameras. The Galaxy S25 FE is expected to feature a triple camera setup, a 50-megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera for group shots and landscapes, and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens offering 3 times optical zoom. Samsung's camera software is known for excellent processing, and with the power of AI, you can expect better night photography, faster autofocus, and more detail in every shot. Video recording is just as strong, with up to 4K resolution at 60 frames per second, and enhanced stabilization for vlogs and on-the-go content. For selfie lovers, the 12-megapixel front camera delivers sharp and vibrant photos, with portrait mode and 4K video support as well. When it comes to battery life, the S25 FE is expected to pack a 4,500 mAh battery, which should easily get most users through a full day of use. Samsung's battery optimization in One UI has improved over the years, and with a power-efficient chipset, standby time should also be excellent. Charging is handled via 25-watt wired charging and likely supports fast wireless charging too. And yes, reverse wireless charging is expected, meaning you can juice up your earbuds or another device by placing it on the back of your phone. Software-wise, the S25 FE will ship with One UI 7 based on Android 15. This brings a host of improvements like better notification controls, smoother animations, and more customizable options. Samsung has also committed to 4 years of major Android updates and 5 years of security patches, which is rare in the Android world and a huge win for long-term users. Samsung Knox Security, an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, and stereo speakers round out the feature list, giving you everything you'd expect from a high-end device. Now let's talk price. The Galaxy S25 FE is expected to launch between $599 and $649, depending on storage and region. At that price, you're getting features normally reserved for phones that cost hundreds more. From the gorgeous